Gate Day Essential Billabong Memory Foam Neck Pillow. The velvet is crazy plush.
If you liked what you saw, you can do much more inside of Claude with MCP. So you can see we have image and video generations. It's so simple. Just you prompt it and then it's going to work. So you have one prompt that can replace your entire industry. We have a format you can just pick and you can skip the setup. From zero to a profitable brand. Build me a pet accessories brand from scratch. We're going to see some examples, but it's really easy to get everything connected. You can work with all of the projects. Essentially, you can work with all of the products because we are just giving and adding all these different products as tools via MCP to Claude. So in this video, let's go ahead and see how to do this, how to use Higgsfield MCP with Claude. But first of all, let me introduce you to Higgsfield. So let's go to higgsfield.ai and then you can see that we have these image models, we have video models, we have audio models, and then we have supercomputer and so many other products that I've made videos on. But in this video, I'm gonna talk about MCP. So if you click on the link, you can see that Higgsfield MCP for any AI. And you can go to this MCP tab. You can see you can do for Claude, Perplexity, we have Cursor, we have OpenClaw, and then we have Hermes. So in this video, let's go ahead and do for Claude. So if we go to file settings and if we go to connectors and then here customize, you'll be able to see that we have this place, Higgsfield here, and I'm going to just remove this so that I can show you from the start again. So we need to do this. We need to go to settings connectors and then we need to copy this MCP and we click here, click on add connector, just write in name. Let's go with Higgsfield and then we need to paste the MCP here and then we say add. So adding this, we now need to connect. So it will take us to the account of our Higgsfield account here. And then what we need to do is just give it access. So you can see that it asks that Claude will have access to verify my identity and my email address. I'm going to say allow. And once I do allow, I can go to Claude here. We can see the Higgsfield is connected now. Now this is an MCP, so we'd have different number of tools here. So you can see that we have here these tools. There's so many tools that we have access to, about 29 tools. So let's go back to file and a new connection here, and let's go ahead and try this. So let me try this. I ask, what are you connected to Higgsfield MCP? And I say if yes, give me all the tools available, a small detail and sample prompt for a particular tool and what output is expected of that. So it goes ahead and looks at all the tools within that MCP. It fetches the tools that is allowed for our account and gives you this beautiful table which shows the different tools, what it does, sample prompts and expected output. So you can see that we have generate image, we have generate video, and all these other tools that we have. So let's go ahead and test this out. So let's go ahead and put my photo and this prompt, train a soul character using this photo, then generate one video of 5 seconds of this character jumping from a helicopter and save all to my folder. So then you can see it goes ahead and tries to make that soul character. And by the way, there is some issue in which conflicting with like a military helicopter and therefore is not accepting the output. But what I can do is I can change the prompt. Since the soul or the character is already created, I'm gonna leave that character as it is and I'm gonna change the prompt. So let's change the prompt and then wait for the new output. So beautiful. Let's go ahead and watch the output. That's really amazing. Let's go ahead and take this pillow now for a different example. Let's drag this pillow that you see here, a photo, and then I say this, I have a product attached, generate a marketing video for it using Higgsfield. I'm gonna say this, this is a pillow, and then use the UGC preset, save the MP3 to my working folder, and then you see it goes ahead and works it out, everything, and then you have the finished output here. Let's go ahead and watch this. I think you'll really love this. Let's go.
Gate Day Essential Billabong Memory Foam Neck Pillow. The velvet is crazy plush and it actually supports my neck on long flights. I'm wearing it right now. instant relief. Highly recommend.
Let me show you how to avail a plan. And you can see we have the annual plans here. For the basic we have $5, then for the plus is $39, then $99 for the ultra. For the business is $62. If you go with the monthly option, then it's a little bit costly, so it will be like $49 compared to $39 per month. And this is what I'm gonna take for this demo. So let's go ahead and get the plan here. So you can see that in my INR I need 48.54. On USD you can see that it's $49 per month. So let me go ahead and make this payment. I've already added a card. Let's go ahead and make this payment. Okay, so we need an OTP here. We need a one-time password, and that's specific to India, which is really awesome. And that's done. So go ahead and try this out and let me know if you face any issues. I'm here to help. I've also created other videos on Higgsfield, so go ahead and check those out. Otherwise, I will see you on this next one. Have a nice day.